Okay, the recipe I'm making for you today is going to be a chicken salad with a garlic aioli. All homemade, all Whole30 approved. See the ingredients. And you're going to need a mason jar and an immersion blender to do the aioli. It takes 1 cracked egg, a good amount of olive oil. I usually do about, or avocado oil, sorry. I usually do about 1 inch or so above the egg. You can do more if you so desire, more oily aioli. Then I add a little bit of mustard, Dijon stone ground, just a few drops in there. I also add minced garlic, about a spoonful, depends on how much garlic you like. Lemon juice is good, lime juice is also good. I'm using lime for this one. Couple squirts, drop it on the ground.
Jack, can you pick that up, please?
I pour a little garlic powder in, some salt, and some pepper. Okay, you can season to your liking with whatever you want to use in here, but this is the basics of it. Now with the immersion blender, what's important is you try to get the yolk under the blender first. So try to trap it, and then you got to go slow. So it takes about 10 seconds to get this going. You'll start to see the kind of mayo-y goop go, and then you want to pull up on it slowly. So I'll show you. Start to see it kind of form together. And then you want to slowly start to pull up to emulsify all the oil. Okay, and that's your aioli sauce.
Speaking of eggs, I want an egg.
Okay, so I got the aioli. Now we take all these beautiful ingredients. What I have here is almonds, grapes, apples, celery, and chicken breast. Okay, get all organic ingredients if you can. Obviously, it's cooked chicken breast. And I just dump everything into a bowl. As neatly as possible. Grab you a spatula, something to mix with. Go ahead and mix all that up. Try to get nicely mixed together. You'll be mixing some more in a second. And then I take that aioli I just made and I do a couple big dollops of that into it. Mix
Couple
that
means
up.
3.
A few dollops. Okay. And then you can add extra seasoning to this if you want. But usually that aioli seasoning and that aioli flavor makes everything super perfect. Okay. Now you let your sous chef taste test it. Just grab a piece.
Apple, grape, chicken. Maybe chicken? Yes, apple, grape. Yummy.
She approves it. It's pretty easy, and then we eat this pretty much all day long with the sweet potato bread, or just by itself.